Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely model I designed. Check it out. It is a 3D lily flower. And yeah, it's very sweet, and it's very pretty, and it is three-dimensional. And this is folded from a single uncut square of paper. And alright, let's get started. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6" square of kami, but you could probably use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin with the white side facing up, and let's fold in half. We're going to start out by making a square base and then a bird base. Unfold and fold in half this way. So if you already know how to make a square base and a bird base, then skip ahead to here. And now fold this corner to here. Turn over and repeat. And now open the pocket, bring the sides together, and flatten. And the square base is complete. Okay, now orient it so that the open side is facing you. And we're going to take the two sides just on the top layers and fold them to the center. And turn over and repeat. Okay, and now we're going to do is we're going to take this tip and fold it up right over the edges. Unfold it and now turn over and erase the crease. And let's reverse it. You can do it a couple times. This is just what makes the petal fold easier. Alright, now comes the petal fold. So unfold here and lift this flap up. And we're folding on this crease. And we have a boat. And we're gonna collapse the boat like this on the existing creases. Okay. And then fold this down. And repeat on this side. Alright, the bird base is complete. And now we're going to turn it into the flower. So, we're going to take these two corners and fold them to that intersection of creases. And turn over and repeat. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this flap and fold it up in between these 2 points. Or in other words, as far as it goes. Unfold and repeat on the other side. Okay, we'll do these 2 flaps on the side after we do this step. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of work on the stem. This is the stem here. So, well actually this model really, it doesn't really have a stem, it's considered a full flower. But I'm going to call this part the stem. This skinny part. Okay, so we're going to do, ooh, sorry about that, stuff in my throat. We're going to do is we're going to make a fold that goes, there's 2 guide marks you can do this, but I'm going to do it like this actually. So we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to this edge. I was thinking fold it in between this point and this point, but no, I like this edge to this edge better. That's an easier guide mark. And it's an easier fold too. So I'll stick to that. Like that. And repeat on the side. So fold this edge to this edge. I probably still have some excess stuff in my throat from when I had that virus. That's probably what it is. Okay. And turn over and repeat. So fold the edge to the edge. Okay. And now let's fold this over. Let's fold this over and fold this flap up like this. And then you can unfold it. And then now fold this over and fold this flap up. Oh, I wasn't looking at the camera. Let's try it again. Fold this over and fold this flap up. And unfold it. There. Those are the petals of the flower. Alright, and now we're going to do, we're actually going to go ahead and curl the petal of the flowers. So, for this I recommend using like a pencil or something. So this is what I'm going to use. It's perfect. So, just take the pencil and the flap and just roll it like this. And roll it really well. Like this. See? So we have a nice curled petal. And you can undo that, and let's repeat on the back side. So take the pencil and just curl the petal like this. Yeah, just roll it about 15 times. Undo that, and let's unfold these so it's easier to turn the pages. Alright, now fold this over and repeat on this side. There we go. And turn over. And last one. There we go. Alright, and now let's refold. Let's go back to here, and let's refold these in. Alright, and now we're ready to reveal the flower. So, just recurl the petals, like this. Kind of like, it's almost like opening up a Starbucks, but just using petals. This is actually satisfying, this part. Alright. And once you did that, your Origami 3D lily flower is all finished. Yeah, this is a pretty model. I really like this. This will make a great gift, like for Mother's Day or something, which is in a couple months from now. A few months. But yeah. You can pretty much make these out of different colors. Here's one I made that I swear my throat my throat is on a roll today. It's probably just from that virus that I had. There's still some excess stuff in there that I'm trying to cough up. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, anyways, like I said, here's a flower. This is one I tried to make a stem on, But this came out pretty messy, so I'm not going to show this one. This one is so much better. So yeah, and I don't really know what else to say, except this is a sweet model. Alright, hope you guys were able to make this, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.